We're making Nadia G's Tuna Sliders. We have a flour and cabbage. We will add the sugar and the salt and mix it. Now we're going to refrigerate it for 30 minutes. Now we're going to make the dressing. We put the mustard. Boom.
I've been cooking for days and I'm covered in grease.
What's that?
Lime.
Okay. What's that?
Sugar. Now mix.
Wait, we're missing something.
What?
Salt and pepper.
Oh.
Put some cracked pepper.
Oh. For my nail. Wait. Now we have to put the salt and put the top on the shaker. Where's the top? Oh, here.
Make sure it's tight. Is it shaking? Shake it, shake it, shake it. Is it shaking?
Look at all this mess.
It's a mess? Careful.
We had the dressing and the parsley, then mix.
Wow, that looks pretty, Adam. Can I see it? Very pretty.
Look at the juice.
Yeah. Reminds me of Mardi Gras. Green and purple, huh? Huh?
Yeah.
It smells really good, huh?
See? Look at that juice.
Look at that juice. Looks good. Looking good. Huh?
You see, look at all that. Oh, cover it back up and put it back in the fridge.
Ho, 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 it's Christmas, hater. Time to scoff some bacon.
No, 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 we won't piggy slayer, 'cause I mean you like Satan.
It's for 3 minutes.
You whisking the egg? Let me see. What you got in there?
Mustard.
Egg, mustard, cream. What else? That's it?
A really bad one.
You had a bad dream? About what?
No, not aliens. No.
I think that's enough pepper. A little salt.
Salt.
Couple dashes of salt. Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's good. What are you doing? Trying to kill us with salt? Huh? What are you doing? Huh? Okay, mix it up.
I'm going to add green onions to porcelain. Then mix it. Right? What want? Oh yeah, this.
No. Your fork.
Oh yeah.
That's good. Easy.
So that is what that is.
That's what you're making. How's it look?
Good. I'll put a little bit of tuna. All of it.
Ho, 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 it's Christmas, hater. Time to scoff some bacon. No, we won't pick his there, 'cause I'm bleeding like Satan.
Then mix it. Try to make flat a little bit.
Why? To mix it. Fold it.
There.
Adam, on last night's episode, what was your favorite part?
I don't know.
Makeover meal. What
Oh,
about the
no.
part with panos? Remember that part?
No.
With the garlic? What did he do with the garlic?
I don't know.
You forgot?
Yep.
The butt?
Okay, let's put all of it.
You forgot he made the garlic butt?
All of it. I'll put all of it.
Yeah, you want to make a garlic butt?
No.
No.
Okay.
What about the girl in the back room going crazy? And she,
Yeah.
you remember that part?
Yeah.
What was she doing?
Smashing the wall.
She smashed the wall?
The patty. They're making the patty and putting it in the flour. In the freezer for 10 minutes. Let me try one time. I tried one time.
Can you try it what? I told you it's dangerous. I'll do it.
Just try one time. It was fried though. Look, break that dish. Ooh, that was hot.
Grumpy grandma, stuffy in-laws, teenage cousins are gone. Christmas dinner's a madhouse, so grab that cake and straw. I've been cooking for days, and I'm covered in grease.
And we've gotta say, that sounds tasty indeed. This Christmas, we'll go out in style. This time, this Christmas, we'll go out in style. This time.
Ho, 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 it's Christmas, hater. Time to scoff some bacon.
What are you doing? What are you doing with that? What is that? You'll be here all night. We starving. I need to hide that. That's dangerous.
about you know.